Hey guys, welcome back to Code Like a Pro. In this video, I'll make a project in which you will get to know if a number is a palindrome or not, in which you'll put your number, whatever your chosen number is, and then the Python program will tell if that number is a palindrome or not. Before moving ahead, please consider subscribing and liking the video if you like the video at the end. So let's get started. First, I'll print enter your chosen number, which is just like the basic thing. So let's do it. So first, print enter your chosen number. Next, I'll create a variable which will be number equals to int input. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another variable which will be temp. This will be number itself. Next, what I'll do is I'll make another variable which will be reverse, which is very important if you want to make this project. Next, I'll make an while loop while number is greater than 0. While the number is greater than 0, the program will work. While number is greater than 0, next I'll make another variable digit equals to uh, number number percentage 10. Next, what I'll do is make like this call the reverse variable equals to reverse into 10 plus digit. Next, I'll make another variable number equals to number floor divided by 10. So if you don't know what these double slash mean, it means floor division. Next, what we'll do is we'll print the reversed number. And let's say if temp equals to reverse, print your chosen number is a palindrome. Or else we'll be like, else the number is not a palindrome. Okay, so I think so that's it. That's it. Palindrome. Caps. Else print your chosen number is not a palindrome. As simple as that. So that's it for the coding part. Now let's run and see if it's working or not. Enter your chosen number. We'll first start it in palindrome. So it's showing that your chosen number is a palindrome. That's great, but now let's check with an number which is not a palindrome. Your chosen number is not a palindrome. So yeah guys, it's working and that's great. This is a very cool project, very good for beginners and very interesting because you're using a lot of if statements, a lot of variables, a lot of while statements and everything. And yeah, it's very interesting. I don't think I have made a project like this before. And yeah guys, thank you for 1000 views on one of my videos. You don't know what video that is, I'll just leave a link in the description. So yeah, that's it from my end guys. Bye.